Redox titrations are a fundamental technique in quantitative chemical analysis, where electron transfer occurs between an oxidizing agent and a reducing agent. This method is used to determine the concentration of an unknown substance in a solution by observing the changes in oxidation states. An oxidizing agent, such as potassium permanganate, KMnO4, gains electrons and gets reduced, while a reducing agent, like iron 2 salts, loses electrons and is oxidized. During titrations with KMnO4, it acts as a strong oxidizer and is self-indicating, meaning the solution changes color as the endpoint is reached. The procedure begins by rinsing the burette with the oxidizing agent and adding a known volume of the reducing agent into a conical flask. KMnO4 is then gradually added, causing a purple color to disappear, and the titration ends when a faint pink persists, signaling the endpoint. Testing for oxidizing agents and reducing agents involves simple reactions like observing color changes or precipitate formation. Redox titrations are an essential tool in chemistry, providing accurate measurements of substance concentrations through these electron transfer reactions.